there, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are an iPhone user who loves diving into a good book, you are in for a fantastic treat today. I have got 7 essential tips that are sure to elevate your reading experience. So, grab your iPhone and let's jump right in. Tip 1. Changing reading settings. First up, go ahead and open the Books app and pick any book you would like to read. Next, tap on the icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. Then, select Theme and Settings. From here, you can switch up the theme. Feel free to adjust the font size and brightness to your liking as well. If you tap on Customize, you can even change the font and tweak the spacing between lines, characters, and words. Tip 2. Using the Search feature. Now, tap on the screen and then click the icon in the lower right corner of the screen. After that, select Search Book. Here, if you type in a word, it will show you all the pages where that word appears. If you enter a number, you can jump directly to that page. Tip 3. Looking up new words. If you come across a word you don't know, just tap and hold it for a moment. Then select Look Up from the pop-up menu. And just like that, you'll see the definition of the word. Tip 4. Highlighting sentences. If there is something important you want to highlight, simply tap and hold on a word. Then drag those 2 cursors to cover the beginning and end of the sentence or paragraph you wish to highlight. After that, tap on Highlight. You can even change the highlight color or underline the text if you want. Tip 5. Adding notes. Just like before, tap and hold a word in the sentence where you want to jot down a note. Then, move those 2 cursors to the start and finish of the sentence or paragraph you want to note. Next, tap on Add Note. After that, write your note and hit Done to save it. Tip 6. Using the translation feature. If you want to translate a sentence into your own language for better understanding, here is how to do it in Apple Books. Simply tap and hold on a word from the sentence you want to translate. Then, move the cursors to the start and end of the sentence. Now, tap on Translate from there. The Books app will translate the sentence for you. You can tap here to change the translation language if needed. Tip 7. Setting a reading goal. Setting a reading goal can make your reading sessions even more enjoyable and help you finish more books. Here is how to set one up. Go back to the home screen in the Books app. Then scroll down to the very end and you will find Reading Goals. Tap on it. Now select Adjust Goal. Next, choose how many minutes you would like to read each day and then tap Done. And that's a wrap. These tips are going to make your reading experience on your iPhone way more enjoyable and interactive. If you loved the video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.